Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are replacing the windshield cowl. Sorry I had to move the car because it got hot right there, but this is my way of the service, like, you know, putting the hood all the way back, just to service things that you need to go. But anyways, this is the cowl. Don't fit. I might need some new with them too. This is the cowl that I'm going to be replacing. So let's start with this. Put that over here. Let's start with this. As you can see, it is broken, so that's why I'm replacing it. And water keep getting in the car. All right, this is the one that I got from the junkyard. So yeah. I previously had it soft anyway, so what I'm gonna do is tap it. All right, so if you're in a situation like me, which most of y'all probably won't, just take the windshield blade off and then you just fold this up and then you just take it off. Oh, that sucks. Took me a while to take that off. I had to keep I had to keep hammering it until it came out. Oh my God, that was hard. But we got it off, so. This way, it should be easy because you will have these clips right here. So I'll take them off. Then just put it right up. All right, that was pretty easy to take those washer things, which is right here. Trying to get it. But easy to take these off, sort of. It's pretty stuck on there. All right, so it should be reverse order now. Just take this. Wait. So I think I can take this off at the end of this, because since this is already wrapped there, so I can take this end right here off and put it in there. Let me do that. What is that? So I've done a little bit of spring cleaning. So now all I gotta do, put this. Can you hold the camera, please? Right there, because I am looking.
So,
Huh?
there's a fly button.
Alright, so there's that. Thank you. So that should work.
Why does it thing go so far back?
Huh?
Why does it
It's in service mode, sort of. But I did that so I can get more leverage taking the wipers off. I'm talking to my cousin, everybody, if you're wondering. But hopefully, what is this piece? Oh, that's to that. So now let me get the other piece. What are you doing over here? You're supposed to be with your mom.
But it's not.
Excuse you. That's y'all cat, ain't it?
That's just Jada cat.
Oh, Jada cat.
Because
All right, so almost there. I just lined it up with the last line. So, yep. click. So that should be it. I'm gonna test it out too. So I was wondering where the leak was coming from. Me thinking that it was the window. Come to find out it's not the window. Hi babies, how are you today? Hi, your mother is somewhere. But come to find out it was that bolt right there. I forgot to put that bolt in, and it was making water leak inside the car. Check your bolts, people. Check your bolts, and you won't have a leak like I did. So let me button this back up once again, and I don't know, do something. So I did a little spring cleaning off camera, a lot of spring cleaning. I shampooed the carpet again, put the floor mats back in, except for this side, because I only got one for this side. I tried to put the new car smell stuff right there. I got another one somewhere, so I'm gonna use that. But I call this a win in this video. She is pretty much clean, not 100%, but she's clean. I'm happy with it. No more leaks. No more leaks in the firewall. And just gotta do body work now. Well, yeah, body work, getting it painted, getting it registered, etc. But overall, I'm happy with it and how it came out. I tried to clear coat the headlights. Sort of worked, but nothing to complain about. So guys, if you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.